Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save call log number to your contact on your Samsung phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your phone application on your Samsung Galaxy phone and you're going to tap on this recent option right here. And you're going to select a phone number that you want to save to your contact, and this is my call history. And for example, I'm just going to save this phone number to my contact. So we can tap on the phone number like this, then we can simply tap on add to contacts. Okay, and you can choose either create new contact or update existing contact. And for example, I'm gonna go with create new contact. Then we can wait guys, okay, and we can put the name right here. For example, I'm going to write this name. Okay, and after we're done, we just need to tap on save. But before it, you can add another phone number right here. You can also put the email, and after you're done, you just need to click on save. Then the phone number will be saved to your contact, and this is the phone number that I have just saved. Alright guys, and that's how we can save call log number to our contact. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.